step after the kingdom?
I haven't thought about it yet. Maybe a prequel or a sequel. I don't know yet. Because it's become a very big hit. We've been receiving a lot of good reviews, good comments.
Yes.
As a matter of fact, tuwa nga ako doon sa isang nag-comment na Vic Soto is in the wrong genre for so many years. Sabi niya, so, baka magbago na ako, maging drama actor na.
Ito ba yan, Bossy?
No, I mean, kidding aside, ninanamnam ko pa yung pagtanggap sa akin ng mga manonood ng pelikulang Pilipino na nung una parang kabado ako eh. Tatanggapin pa ako in a serious role from start to finish.
Yes.
Tatanggapin ba nila na ako'y matetegi? Para sa mga hindi nakakapanood, sorry, spoiler alert. And so nakita ko yung outcome. Pinanood ko yung after viewing the film. Sulit lahat ng pagod dahil I must admit talagang sobrang pagod ang yung paggawa namin ng pelikula. For so many months, I was memorizing my lines. I was in front of the mirror. Tinitignan ko yung sarili ko. Itsura ko pag sarado yung
Great to
sarado yung kilay. Ganun. Paano ko maipoportray yun with the help of my best director, Michael Tubiera. At sa tulong din ng mga kasama ko sa pelikula. Kasi they served as an inspiration for me. Nakita kong gaano kaseryoso si Piolo, gaano kaseryoso si Sid Lucero, at yung mga anak kong babae, si Christine, at si Sue Ramirez. They were very serious about their roles. They were giving it all, 100%.
Yeah.
Sabi ko, hindi pwedeng kailangan ganun din ako. So when I was watching the finished product, I felt that I was an amateur compared to these actors and actresses. Pero it paid off. Kumbaga, tanggal lahat yung pagod ko, yung puyat namin. We started filming July. We finished almost December na. Dahil na rin siguro, dahil sunod-sunod yung bagyo, dami namin pakap. So, it's all worth it. Sulit naman talaga yung lahat ng pagod.
Well, let me take this opportunity to congratulate you. I watched it. Well, a lot of us watched the film. Ang galing. Maganda yung performance mo, and the whole film itself is quite good.